Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana gari kutanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garoka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmure Zimbabwe takigira nyaya irupisa nyaya kunetsa. Nyaya yabuditswa na MP wa Citizens Coalition for Change, Bridget Nyandoro abuda achifumura zviri kuitwa mu opposition hanzi vana Zimbabwe. It's high time you start doing your own things. And the opposition, they are there for their lives and vada kusave ama families avo. Apana arikuda kufaitira vana Zimbabwe vakavaisa muparliament. Achinomira mushe pane audio atakuvigira tutaunzwisai Bridget Nyandoro achitaura about kubiwa kuri kuita land zvakare nemari dziri kubiwa muHarare City of Harare ma opposition leaders in Zimbabwe. But before that, there is an issue yakabuditswa ne Zimbabwean Mail. Mushure makunge Bridget Nyandoro akanetsana na Joanna Mamombe muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakabuditswa ne Zimbabwean Mail vachitaura vachiti Zimbabwe's opposition politics is once again under the spotlight. There's a bitter and increasingly personal feud between former Citizens Coalition for Change allies Joanna Mamombe and Bridget Nyandoro threatens to further fracture an already divided movement. The dispute, which is played out publicly on social media, underscores the deepening divisions within the opposition since the departure of CCC leader Nelson Chamisa earlier this year. Mamombe, a high-profile member of parliament and long-time opposition activist, recently called out Nyandoro for what she described as unfounded and damaging allegations, urging her to pursue formal legal channels rather than engaging in what she labeled a public smear campaign. The source of the fallout appears to be a mix of political realignment and unresolved personal grievances. Following Chamisa's dramatic exit from the CCC, the party splintered into rival factions, one remaining loyal to the former leader and including figures like Mamombe, Fadzai Mahere and Giftustalo Siziva, and another coalescing around self-declared Interim Secretary General Sengezo Shabangu, with whom Nyandoro is now aligned. In a post shared online, Mamombe accused Nyandoro of waging a campaign of relentless personal attacks, including claims related to disputed land allegations. Mamombe noted that she had supported Nyandoro's parliamentary bid in 2023, but now finds herself vilified for political impedancy. Nyandoro, for her part, has accused Mamombe of abandoning her in a case involving allegations of sexual abuse in a since-deleted post from August. She challenged Mamombe to testify in court, implying political loyalty may have trumped solidarity and justice. Screenshots shared by Mamombe appeared to show Nyandoro publicly criticizing her under a post by Chamisa, further inflaming tensions between the two. Mamombe defended her position, stating that she advised Nyandoro to pursue the matter legally and seek professional counsel. Social media is not the court of law, Mamombe said. If they are legitimate claims, they should be brought before the courts, not weaponized on social media. Mamombe also made reference to a figure identified only as Star, suggesting that Nyandoro's allegations should be directed at the alleged perpetrator rather than using her as a scapegoat. Legal commentators have warned that such disputes, when aired online without substantiating evidence, risk opening individuals up to defamation suits and can complicate formal legal proceedings, especially in sensitive cases involving gender-based violence. It's essential that allegations of this nature are dealt with through appropriate legal mechanisms. Trial by social media does more harm than good, both to the victim and to the cause of justice, said Harare-based legal expert Tendai Chikore. The public fallout has raised fresh concerns about the state of Zimbabwe's fragmented opposition, which remains embroiled in internal battles instead of presenting a united front ahead of the next electoral cycle. Political analyst Dr. Namo Miripiri said the rift between Mamombe and Nyandoro highlights a troubling trend of personal vendettas overshadowing policy and governance issues within the opposition ranks. The public spats erode public confidence. The opposition risks alienating its support base if it continues down this path of infighting and personal attacks, he noted. There has been no official comment from CCC leadership on the feud, nor from either faction regarding efforts to reconcile the divided party. As the crisis within the opposition deepens, observers say the ongoing disunity may strengthen the end of the ruling ZANU-PF party, which has long capitalized on the opposition's internal weaknesses. Zimbabwe Mail about the fight in the opposition. Parizo nodango kusiya mchinzo audio. Ya Bridget Nyando achitaura pamusoro pe kubiwa kuitwa zvinhu ne opposition nema councillors arimo mwamadza zvamuri kufunga mu comment section.
He's just someone who is looting, who is getting a lot of benefits, who even, I remember one Kudzai, her mother was a board chairperson of City Park until recently was Obisquap. So you see, people vanoda through social media. I think pamwe pandinodyirwa bhonzo inini inyaya yekuti handionzosvarira zvana social media izvi indogumira kuwhatsapp zana Facebook nana Twitter izvi nana Instagram. It's not my thing. So you see, these people, they pretend a lot when they are on these Facebooks, on these Twitters and Instagrams. But it's also, we know who these really people are. A lot of people, even in the political circles, knows how Danforth operates, knows how Danforth loots. It's just that people sometimes, you know, pane nyaya yekuti inotogona kuitika ka wotozviona zveshuwa wotozwa kuti iyi nyaya yechokwadi, but unenge usina evidence. It doesn't necessarily mean kuti unenge usina kuti nyaya iyoyo ndeyekunyema. Dzimwe dzacho dzitori nyaya dzechokwadi. Zvinhu izvi zviriko. Anyone who needs to know can go ahead and do their own investigations. And they if they are bold and brave enough, they'll come out and tell you what they would have discovered. Zviriko kuSeat of Araro. Zvinoitwa neye mukomana. A lot of people know. Saka, you know what? So zvavanonyora paTwitter, life yavanotraya kuportreya paTwitter, neyavanorarama chaiyo chaiyo. I tell you, hakuna munhu ari kumiririra vanhu. I will repeat this. Handisi kushotesa maZimbabweans, but unfortunately, the people that you think are representing you, who tell you on Twitter that we are representing you, they are representing their families and not you. Imbi michitoita iwo zvamunogona kuita. This is an advice. Handisi kukunyombai maZimbabweans kana kuti ndiri kukusvotesai kana kuti chinyi. But ndiri kuda kungoti tijekeserane tionetsane kuti the people that you think vari kukumirirai kana kuti vari kufranta mainterest enyu vanovafranta paTwitter, and sometimes anotombofrantwa on the ground, motoona kuti azveshuwa izvi zvatoitika. But what happens at the background, I will repeat and tell you kuti it's a dark world. Ivava vanhu vanomuka, ivava vanoda kunyanya stereki kunyora paTwitter kuitira kuti kana vazoita mascandals avo anenge azoitawo munyama wekubuda, muzovati but ava vanenge vanoshanda, ava vanodai, kana kuti they quickly pull out the political card kuti I'm being victimized because of politics. Dzimwe dzenyaya hadzisi politics. I know there are a lot of councillors. I don't want to be, mentioning names because some of these people, some of these councillors particularly, varikasungwa nekuenda kumadzita aroko. Nyaya dzavo dzimwe dzacho dzavakasungirwa hadzisi dzelendi yavakatora ivo. Dzimwe dzacho it was an instruction yekunzi tora apa udai. We know these issues. And ukasangana navo muzvikuona vanhu tokuzoti kumana zvitirerera ndandazotonga nemukuru apa rakazengera ndisungisa. Iyo kasewiri papapo. One thing that I can tell you, the Chamisas are clever enough not to put anything in their name. I know that for a fact. Mukada kunotsvaga nhasi hapana chamunomboona chakanyorwa kunzi Chamisa. You will not find it. Vanotsvaga mamwe names ekushandisa asiri iwo, so that to them they remain clear. I know of a councillor anochema zvokuti I respect that councillor, let me not mention him. Anochema zvokuti nenyaya yeland iyo yakaiswa Castle Nangange iyo. Anochema zvokuti kuti land iyo yakandipinza busy ndichinzi tapiwa pressure yekunzi tipei land yekuti tiite party office. but party office yakazochinja ikaita castle. So you see, these are